lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCO. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video we are going to make aloe vera oil for our hair. Yes, for a massive hair growth. If you want to grow your hair very long, I think that's the right channel for you to be here to learn how to do DIYs to grow your natural hair. Use organic products. So we are going to need aloe vera plant. As you can see, it's freshly washed or neatly washed, and this is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to open up your cuticles, also prevents splitting, and helps in length retention. So with aloe vera plant, you know, it has vitamins, essential amino acids, minerals such as copper and zinc, which are important for hair growth. Yes, it also has fatty acids that maintain the hair to prevent it from breaking, and it also have antibacterial properties and a good track in treating any scalp infection. So I'm going ahead to cut my aloe vera into pieces. Let me start up by this. I'll cut the spiky edges. I cut off the spiky edges. Yeah, doing one for you to see. Okay, so I'll be chopping them into pieces. That's how. So let me do it the second time for you to see, then I'll do the rest off camera. That's so simple and easy to do, very fast. If you need any oil for your hair, try this method at home. It works super fast. As you're applying the gel in your scalp, then you'll be trying the oil as well, so all can go at the same time during your wash days and for moisturizing your hair. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with cutting off my aloe vera. I'm going ahead to pour it into my frying pan. Then I'll go ahead and add my coconut oil. Depends on the quantity of the oil that you want is when you try to get your coconut oil. Alright, so now it's left with it to be on fire. So guys, that's my aloe vera oil. This is how the preparation is going. So turn it most often to prevent it from burning. Yeah, it's been 10 minutes. So I'm waiting for extra 5 minutes to let it fry. Then we proceed. Alright guys, so that's how the plant is looking like, and it's ready. I'm not going to allow it to burn. No, you don't have to allow it to burn before. I'll fill all the nutrients in the plant. Okay guys, so that's my oil. When you look at it, I didn't allow it to be brown. This looks like darkish brown. Yes, so I'm going to allow it to cool down for the oil to absorb all the nutrients in the plants into the oil. Then I'll proceed with the rest. So guys, the oil has been left too. So now I'm going to need a strainer and a bowl to strain it. It smells really good because of the coconut oil. It smells really nice. No need to spend so much money on your hair. Easy to do at home. With natural ingredients, your hair will start flourishing very soon. Alright, so that's all we have left. Yes, that's our aloe vera oil. You apply this to moisturize your hair after your wash days to lock in the moisture. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Give me a thumbs up